You know it feels so good when I know you're skanking with me. So good when I know you're skanking. So good when you do. Yes, it feels so good when I know you're rocking with me. So good when I know you're rocking. So good when you do.
Said it feels so good, never wanted to leave. Back on the mic and we do it with ease. Loving every minute when we get on a pennant. We take the music to the limit when we love it and live it.
Say, where do you go? Where do you go? Well, I'd really like to know. Oh, where you go? When it all comes down to it and the pressure's on for life, how do you keep on skanking through the darkness to the light? How do you ride it through like it's your nature too? Well, I've been watching you, watching the things you do. I see the way you groove, make me believe your ways. Where do you go to play? Show me that peaceful
Takhle se točí vlogy a já se opravuju v podstatě. A tady za mnou, tam, ono sněží a svatého Martina Martin přijde na bílém koni, budou bílé Vánoce. Přesně tak. Ty holky měly jen 2 deci vína. Jenom 2 deci vína. Pouze 2 deci vína. Jak levná investice, jak levná investice. Co chceš? Kup si ponožky, ty vole. Já to nechci, víte, co mi dala tohle? To je dárek na narozeniny.
Dobrý.